everyone. Karen from SewnSave here. Happy spring, happy May. We're still quarantined, but we're still sewing and we're still having a good time here at SewnSave. Today I have this beautiful line of fabric to show you. It's called Botanica. We're going to show you some close-ups of the fabric and you are just going to love this. I love this fabric so much. It's so pretty. It's so springy, so happy. A very sophisticated pastel fabric. I think you're really going to like it. The pattern that's up above is called a perfect 10. And I'm going to kind of scrunch up here. We'll show even a better picture of this. It's called the perfect 10. I've done this pattern several times before. Usually I don't sew a pattern more than once because you know what? There's so many patterns and so little time to do the same pattern over and over again. But this is a really good one. And the prints in this fabric are so pretty that I didn't want to cut them up in little pieces. So I made this pattern. So I used this pattern again for this quilt. And a lot of times in these little squares, I'll take a panel and cut up a panel and put in those squares. And it's called the perfect 10 because it's made from 10 fat quarters. So if you have some fat quarters saved up and you just didn't know what to do with them, this is a great pattern to use for that. Or if you have a panel with squares and you didn't know what to do with those, another great pattern for this. So let me tell you a little bit about the fabrics. There are kind of purples, yellows, some pinkies, some pink fabrics. Over here, we have the little honeycomb fabrics in all of the little colors. They're so pretty. Then it moves on to this beautiful viney stripe. You're going to love these. Then it has pretty little florals and little ladybugs. Not those obnoxious little Japanese beetles that we all hate. They're the pretty little ladybugs that we all love. So that's the next section. Then there's butterflies, very sophisticated, very pretty butterflies. Then some big botanical florals. And then some of my favorite, the bees. And they all go together and look so pretty in a quilt. Very, very, very springy, happy fabric. And that's kind of what we need about this time. It's been a little dull outside today. It's shiny and sunny, but you know, a quilt can always make us feel happy. So I hope you take a look at this on our website. It will be on sale for a week, so it'll be 20% off on the website for a week. There's fat quarters, half yards that you can purchase, and a quilt kit, as well as just the pattern. Then don't forget that we have our ruler of the month. This is the 2.5 by 12.5 inch ruler. It's a great ruler just to have sitting next to your cutting mat. You'll pick it up a lot. I didn't realize how much I was going to use it until I actually had it and started using it. It was really nice. And so now I have one by my cutting mat and one in my bag to go to quilt retreats and to come to class. So I always have a couple sitting around to make sure that I can always find one when I need one, because you know your favorite ruler has always disappeared when you need it. And then we still have our little I Love My Quilting Friends rulers. Those are still on sale and on our website. Great little Mother's Day gift, a great gift to give to a quilting friend who you miss right now because you haven't seen them for a long time. So it's a great little quilting gift to give to people. So check out our website. Keep shopping. People have been looking for black fabric for masks. I've got tons of it coming in. So I have got a bunch today, a bunch tomorrow, and a whole bunch another on. So plain black is coming in on face. So we'll have plain black as well as kind of tone on tone blacks. Elastic is still coming in. We're still making the little quilted heart kits. So order up because they're all online and have fun. And I'll see you soon. Thanks.